have you at the door, sir?
Absolutely.
What do you think the offer is?
I think it's gonna be space related, not space.
Like we're gonna take this to space?
Nah, like, I think you're gonna offer me more space.
That is correct. For day 60, Carl, bring it on in.
Coming. Hello.
Wow.
I am offering you an entire gym.
Trampoline.
Oh, man.
Everything you could possibly need is on this platform.
Holy moly.
Come on over, yeah? Whoa, don't fall. How does it feel to be standing outside of the jet?
It actually feels amazing.
This is designed like the jet. It is currently touching the jet, so it is a part of the jet.
I could sleep out here.
You can open the door and get fresh air out here.
Oh my gosh.
And you can have all of this for the measly price of $50,000.